we initiated a program about 4 years ago dealing with stormwater utility implementation. Our stormwater management program did off the tax base, much like many municipalities in Ontario and across. Partnered with the City of Waterloo, which is just north of us, in an initiative to actually look at ways to implement a stormwater management fee for property owners across our two municipalities. One of the issues that we were faced with was looking for a way to fairly and equitably distribute the costs of our stormwater management program. Under the current property tax approach, it really is not fair nor equitable. It doesn't recognize the fact that one property might have much more hard surface or impervious area compared to another property adjacent to it. And we used impervious area as what's called a surrogate or an indicator of the amount of runoff that would come off a property and into our municipal system. The key message that we tried to get out to our community was the stormwater rate was intended to help improve the environment and protect our source water. In Kitchener-Waterloo, over 70% of the drinking water that we consume comes from underground groundwater sources. So it's very important for us to ensure that the water that comes off properties and is treated within our stormwater system is obviously protected in an effective and efficient way. With the City of Waterloo and the City of Kitchener, we are currently looking at a stormwater rate credit policy. And the intent behind the credit policy is that it couples with the rate structure that we have in place. We are encouraging property owners, private property owners, to implement stormwater management practices in order to treat or contain the amount of stormwater runoff before it actually enters the municipal system. And so what that's going to do is help to engage the public, raise awareness around environmental protection and sustainability issues, particularly when it comes to source water protection in the southwestern Ontario area. We're very excited about the credit policy because it's going to enable us to engage the youth. It's going to engage businesses. It's going to engage other institutions and places of worship. And all of those areas are advocates to ensure environmental protection and sustainability within our community.